there, thanks for coming back to check out my channel. It's time for another Misfits Market unboxing, and I don't even remember what I picked out this week, so this should be interesting. I'm going to go ahead and get right in. Tuck this flap behind here. We'll get this insulation out of the way. You can see the box is pretty full. Right away I see one of my extra items, which is some corn chips from Garden of Eden. They're just a little extra that I got. They're kind of like Fritos, but organic. Okay, so first off, we have a nice cauliflower from Josie's Organics. I'm looking forward to that. A yellow squash. I use these a lot in lunches for stir fries. Sometimes I roast them for dinner too, and here's another one. Everything's looking good so far. Oh, these are some really nice green beans. I might have to make these for dinner tonight. They look really good. Let's see. Great big white onion. That's good. I think I was down to one onion left, so I had a bag, but they sprouted on me. A lemon and a potato. Another lemon. And another potato. A nice head of cabbage. I got this specifically thinking about making some coleslaw. Oops, one more thing. Lemon. And that's it for that half of the box. So I'll pull this divider up. We'll see what's in the other half. Nice head of green leaf lettuce. Cucumber for salads. Some nice broccoli. Some more yellow squash. These are really big too. And a nice acorn squash, which is pretty much my favorite squash. Okay, I think that is it. So I'll just scoot this box out of the way. I'll just lay everything back out. As always, excuse my microphone wire. Okay. So we've got an acorn squash, a bunch of great big yellow squash, a few superficial blemishes, but they look like really good squash. Broccoli, head of lettuce, and a head of cabbage. Really nice one. Onion, cucumber, couple of potatoes, handful of nice lemons, perfect for iced tea or regular tea, some really nice green beans, cauliflower, and then like I said, my extra item was organic corn chips. Thank you so much for joining me for my Misfits Market video. I want to give you a thank you to those who did sign up using my referral code. It does give you a $10 discount, so I will pop it below in case anyone else is interested. It looks really good this week. I have no complaints. I've been really impressed with Misfits Market the last few weeks especially. Thank you so much for checking out my video, and you have a great rest of the night.